5 things I wish I knew before buying this anti-theft crossbody charging bag. Number 1, I never knew how easy it was to protect against pickpockets when I'm busy exploring overseas. They've gotten so bad recently. My best friend had her entire handbag snatched in Rome and she lost everything. This bag keeps everything safely tucked close to my body inside a lockable compartment. I simply fill up the bag with all of my essentials, put the zippers in this lock, mix up the code, and my valuables literally can't be touched. It's also RFID protected with a cut-proof hard shell, slash-resistant straps, and hidden pockets for impenetrable security. Number 2, I didn't know a crossbody bag could fit everything I needed for exploring, and then some. Passports, wallets, water bottles, and phone, it fits it all. Plus, 3 intuitive pockets make it so easy for me to access all of my essentials. No more rummaging in messy bags for passports or documents at the airport. Number 3, I didn't know I could explore in any weather without worrying about my phone or camera getting damaged. This bag is completely shock and waterproof, ensuring my valuables stay dry and protected. Number 4, I had no clue that I could wander and explore overseas cities for hours on end without the excruciating neck and shoulder pain that I would usually get from bulky backpacks. This bag is so lightweight and ergonomic. Sometimes I even forget that I'm wearing it. Finally, nobody told me that I could keep my phone fully charged all day long while exploring. It's got this USB port so I can leave a power bank in the bag while my phone charges in my hand or in my pocket. So if you're like me and love travel but get really anxious in crowded places overseas, then you need to get one